Nose blackheads removal. Full deep pore cleaning. Before after. The difference between before and after can be dramatic. What starts as clogged pores and uneven texture can turn into visibly smoother skin with the right deep cleaning process. Today's treatment features nose blackheads removal with a full deep pore cleaning transformation. The before condition. Before treatment, the pores appear congested, oil buildup, dead skin cells, and blackheads are visible across the nose area. Texture looks uneven, and the pores appear enlarged. Why congestion builds up? The nose naturally produces more oil than many other areas of the face. Over time, that oil mixes with dirt, dead skin, environmental debris, leading to blocked pores. Step 1. Cleansing the skin. We begin by cleansing the surface to remove excess oil and impurities. This prepares the pores for extraction. Step 2. Steam softening. Warm steam helps soften buildup inside the pores. This allows for a smoother and more effective extraction process. Step 3. Blackhead extraction. Extraction begins carefully. As pressure is applied, blackheads start to release from the pores. Step 4. Full deep pore cleaning. More congestion is removed throughout the nose area. The skin gradually begins to look cleaner and more refined. Step 5. Refining the texture. After extraction, the pores appear visibly clearer. The skin texture becomes smoother, more even, less congested. Step 6. Calming the skin. A soothing treatment is applied to reduce redness and support recovery. Final before-after results. Before, visible blackheads and clogged pores. After, cleaner pores and smoother-looking skin. A full deep pore cleaning transformation. Final message: small improvements in the pores can create a big difference in skin texture. The transformation starts with deep cleaning beneath the surface. If you enjoyed this before and after skincare transformation, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more satisfying pore cleaning videos.